What is up, YouTube? I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while since I've actually done a live video. I hope everyone's doing good. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Let me fix my mic really quick. Where can I place this? I'm using something different today. But what's up, everyone? Anyway, what I want to talk about today, and I guess I should wait for a few more people to get on. What is up, Freddie? Who's on here right now? New scientist. How are you always first, man? It's been such a long time since I've done a live video. You still get on first. What is up, Freddie? What is up, Charles? Andy, this is the first time I've seen you on here, man. Tux Gnome, what is up? Jordan, Demas, Abdul, and Landon. What is up, everyone? I hope everyone's doing good today. Thank you for even joining my live video. I'm here at work right now in the office. Check it out. What is up, Santiago? So this is my office right here. And hey guys, check out, this is my new Zeiss lens, man. Look how legit this is. What is up, Alex? What is up, Kaya? Anyway, let me go back on here. I hope everyone's doing good today. There are a lot of things that I want to talk about. I know I haven't been posting as many vlogs as I usually do. It's been kind of crazy the last 2 weeks, and it's going to be even more crazy for me in the next 2 or 3 weeks. And so I won't be able to post as many vlogs as I usually do. But after 3 weeks, when this crazy thing is over with my work, I'll be able to post more vlogs. Oh, what's up, Santiago? Oh, nice. Santiago said he has an interview for an internship tomorrow. Congrats, man. Anyway, what I want to talk about today is, can you guys hear me clearly, by the way? I want to make sure my mic's good. But anyway, what I want to talk about today is the number one reason why so many people won't become a developer today, right? Thank you, guys. The number one reason why maybe you or someone you know who's aspiring, or maybe you haven't even put in that first step yet, the number one reason why you won't be a developer today. And I think this is something that many people need to know. Now, please note that I will be making a vlog where I talk about multiple reasons why people won't become a developer today. But the number one reason that many people won't become a developer today is because of yourself. It's because of you. For example, I know a good friend, or he's a homie. He's actually on my Discord channel. If you guys haven't checked it out, the link to my Discord channel is in my other descriptions of my other videos. It'll be on this video when it goes live after I upload it. But anyway, the number one reasons, for example, this is guy, his name's New Scientist. He's the first one on every one of my live videos. Recently, he got hired from a company, right? And they actually let him go because he wasn't that good on PHP, right? He got let go and he was discouraged, and I remember him talking about that. But just a couple of weeks ago, another company actually took him in, and then while working at that current company, he kept sending out new applications like I told people to do, because he kept hustling. He kept sending out more applications, and now multiple companies want to hire him. And guess what? He got let go from the first job that finally took him in because he wasn't good enough in PHP. Now, what would the majority of you would have done if you got let go in your first job? Within the first couple of days after getting hired? A lot of people would have given up. A lot of people would have given up. A lot of people wouldn't have actually kept going on. If you got let go from your first job as a developer, what would they have done? They would have been like, all right, maybe it's not for me anymore, right? Maybe you sent out like hundreds and hundreds of applications and no one's ever gone back to you. I know one person, his name's Tim. He's emailed me telling me, Chris, I've been sending out 100 applications a day and no one wants me yet. Well, maybe the truth is that maybe you're just not good enough yet. Maybe you need to keep getting better. But while you continue to get better, like I always say in all my videos, you have to keep improving learning code. Even when you get a job, you need to keep improving and learning code and keep getting better. So the number one reason that you will not become a developer is because of yourself. But all right, and there's other things. Another reason you could say is that it's just doubt, right? That you doubt yourself. You think you're not good enough. You think that you don't speak well enough because you don't have a degree, because you live in a city that doesn't have many jobs that offer that opportunity, because you think that you don't have money to learn code. There's always a way around it. If it's something that you really want to be, more than anything, what will you do? You do anything to make sure you get there. So anyway, and by the way, sorry if my live went off. My girlfriend Midora gave me a call during my live video. All right, so let's go up to the questions. Well, what's up, everyone? All right, wow, there's a lot of people, guys. What is up? Wow. But hey, guys, if you haven't yet, all right, just like what New Scientist did, if you could go to my actual channel and hit that little bell to give you notifications when I go live so you don't miss it next time. But all right, does anyone have any questions they want to ask before I actually keep talking about this? Yes, what is up, Aaron and Beto? Everyone say what's up to him. We were actually just texting each other earlier. Uther says he does Treehouse. Treehouse is amazing. I agree. I still use it to this day. Some people still don't believe me. But all right, so let's look at this. Jordan, he's asked the question, Chris, how did you learn code? I learned at Treehouse, teamtreehouse.com. That's pretty much the only place I learned. I haven't tried Udemy. A lot of people use Udemy all the time. Is it Udemy or Udemy? I have never tried Udemy. I just don't really trust it that much because I've never went into it yet. But I definitely plan on doing it in the future when I have more time to learn other languages other than PHP and MySQL. But another actual website that I recommend, if not Treehouse, if you can't afford paying $25 a month, this is free. Udacity.com is the place you want to go learn. Why is Udacity.com so important, and why is it such a good company to learn code at? Is because even Treehouse, even Google, even I believe AT&T, and all these big companies, what are they doing? They're actually endorsing Udacity, saying that is a place you want to go. If you want to get a job at Google, but you don't have a degree yet, what will raise your chances of working at Google, working at AT&T, working at these tech companies, is you have to get a tech degree, or I think it's called a nano degree at Udacity.com. And so I definitely do recommend Udacity if you cannot afford Team Treehouse. But all right, let's keep going. Freddie, or we don't know exactly where to start. What do you mean by that? I probably missed your message, man, if you could clarify. Zogby says, shout out to Chris for motivating him to start coding. You're one more fan. Congratulations, man. Alex, how are your personal web development projects going? They're going good. Because I work in a certain niche in this industry, now in this industry that I'm working in right now, in this niche, I work for a processing company. Developers are very important because we're the reason that the company could do well. And so a lot of my projects are honestly kind of the same. I'm creating a lot of registration pages. I'm creating landing pages for our bigger clients. I'm now the main contact, speaking to clients directly, which is a little stressful. For example, I literally just got off a conference call with a client. It was just me and him. He was asking me to make changes to his website, and I was coding it while he was looking at my code and telling me what I need to do, which is a little frustrating because people don't really know code. And so those things could be really frustrating. So my projects are going really well. I'm getting them done fairly quickly. Now I am a little backed up. And so what I do need to learn is really time management, which is something that's still hard for me to do because I like focusing on one thing, like until I get it done. That's why I love programming, because I could focus really easily until that project's done. And so the projects are going good, man. I'm learning a lot. Adam, if you guys are wondering, Adam, he's actually getting much better. He's doing a lot of JavaScript. I'm giving him a lot of jQuery projects, which he hates, and he's stressed out at times, actually a lot of the time. But what I've noticed is because we're giving him stuff that he doesn't want, like usually do at home, because we're giving him projects that he would have never gave himself at his house, he's becoming much better, to the point that my technical director and I were actually talking about him, and we both told Adam, dude, you need to start applying to jobs now. Don't wait until the end of this internship. Apply to jobs now and we'll help you. Like, use us as references. It won't make you look good. And so a lot of people are actually ready to get jobs but just haven't made the time to actually get a job yet. So yeah, all right, let's keep going. Do degrees really matter in this niche? No, it does not matter. Now, if you don't have a degree, like I said many times, you'll have to be able to prove yourself. And how do you prove yourself is by making your own portfolio projects. But all right, let's keep going. Let's see, Jordan, what do you do when you lose your coding motivation? I take a break. I code at work all day. Like literally, a couple days ago, I coded for 7 hours straight. And you guys have no idea how fried my brain was. And so after that, I literally told my boss, I'm like, you know what? I literally been coding for 7 hours straight. I'm exhausted. My brain is fried. And I told my boss, I'm going to come into work late tomorrow. I'm sorry. I just need a break. And he says, okay. And so because he knows that we need breaks. Programmers need breaks. Your brain, you're literally just constantly thinking, critically thinking and how to solve a problem and how to make something better 24/7 nonstop when you're coding, you know. So, and when you need a break, when you lose that motivation, just take a break a little bit and then get back into it. If not, think of something new you could learn, or maybe move to a different language for now. But again, if it's something you really want, for example, if you have a family, right? And you're starving because you didn't work hard in school or you don't have a good job, will you lose that motivation to find a good job and take care of your family? You'll never lose that good motivation. Why? Because of purpose and why you're learning code. You won't lose that motivation if you remember why you're doing it, and if you're doing it for a valid reason that will change your life forever. And so remember why you're doing it. Even if you lose your motivation, push through it. If not, take a break. And I do take breaks as well. So good question, man. Alan Liu was just wondering how exactly you started applying your knowledge. I just started creating stuff. A lot of things that they ask me to do at my work are things I don't know. And so they asked me to do a lot of new things, and they gave me small projects after small project after small project. And actually, honestly, when I started working as a professional developer, one thing I learned about myself is that I knew nothing. Everything I learned at Treehouse, everything I learned at Udacity.com, it's the foundation of what I need to actually get projects done. But still, even after all of that self-taught coding and teaching myself code, I realized I didn't know anything. That is why you just have to go out at it, because you'll never know enough until you get real life work experience. So don't wait until you know everything. Too many people are doing that. All right, good question, man. Let's keep going down. Let's see. What's up, Dogan? Alan, he's asking, Chris, through your first couple weeks as a developer, as you started learning code, how did you apply knowledge to a project? This is something that you need to do, is that as you're learning something, what do you need to do to get better? Because a lot of people just learn. Like, I made that mistake my first time going through Treehouse, where I literally just went through a front-end developer track. I finished it, or I went through half of it and thinking I was a pro already. And when I finally tried to make a project on my own, I realized I didn't retain anything. Why? Because I wasn't applying what I was learning. Does that make sense? When you learn about divs, make an HTML file and work around using divs. When you learn about spans, when you learn about labels, when you learn about, breakpoints, when you learn about just everything, when you learn about how to display block, do inline block, what's the difference, and why is it important to learn to know when you need to use inline and display inline block? Why is it important to use media queries? How to use media queries? Why to not use tables at certain times, or why tables are the best thing to use at certain times. And so as you learn it through Treehouse, as you learn it and you do your Demi courses, as you learn it as you Udacity, what is really important, and I say this over and over again, what do you need to do? You need to be able to just apply it right away. That is the best way that you can do it. So that was a good question, guys. You guys are asking good questions today. All right, what's up, Dogan? New scientist, Chris Sean, what impresses managers the most? What makes them happy? I.e. results, clean code. Clean code, some people make big deals about clean code, but what I noticed is that the people who make the biggest deal about clean code are people who went to college, because they emphasize that a lot in school. And now it's always nice to have that. My manager likes it, but what is most important to him is that the actual project gets done, whatever way it takes. To make sure that you look out for bugs. And this is my problem, okay? This is something that I'm learning, and that's something, I guess, because I still have that lazy part of me, is that when I make a project, when I make a website, the one thing I always forget to do is check for bugs. The one thing I always forget to do is check for any errors that I made in my spelling. And so I'm known for the guy that always has bad spelling on all my pages. So we literally have someone that's designated to helping me to check up on my spelling and make sure everything's spelled correctly. And so what project managers like, they like that you know how to make sure that before you ship out the project, before you say it's live like I always do, you actually check for bugs and you make sure it's dumb proof, it's stupid proof. And that's what it is, because a lot of people honestly don't know how to navigate a web page. And that's what we need to learn to do, is how to make a page easy to navigate even for the dumbest person in the world. So good question, man. What do you think of PHP frameworks? I don't have any thoughts on them. I mean, they're needed. I don't have any thoughts on them. I'm sorry. I don't know too much about PHP frameworks. I'm literally just learning like clean PHP. So I'm sorry about that, guys. When I get there, I'll be able to talk about it. But I don't want to talk about something I'm not too well knowledge about. And so Vlad's asking, Chris, I'm 33 years old. Is it too late? Nope. I'm almost 30. I learned when I was 28. You're not too old. All right. There's a lot of questions, and I'm going to try to go to the bottom. There's a lot of questions. I don't think I'll be able to answer all of it, guys. I don't want to do this too long. But Dogan asked, how many hours of that day did I put onto Treehouse? I put about 1 or 2 hours a day. That's it. 1 or 2 hours a day. And what do you mean, were the days that I missed, or were the times when I missed my days? I'm not too sure what you're talking about, bro. Brandon, what's up, bro? Show your Python. I don't know any Python. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, anyway, guys, thank you guys for getting on here. I'm really thankful for all the support. I know I haven't been posting as many vlogs as possible, but can you guys actually let me know, since there's about 55 to 60 people watching this right now, do you guys want me to keep doing vlogs, or would you guys rather have just how-to videos? Why is this important videos? What you need to know videos? If no one wants to watch the vlogs, then I'll stop working on making vlogs, because literally when I make vlogs, editing it takes 2 to 3 hours, a long time, and then exporting it takes a long time. So let me know. If no one wants to watch the vlogs, then I'll stop posting it. So let me know, and I won't post vlogs about my day anymore. Let's see. Oh, thank you. Which OS is best for development? You mean like Mac or Windows? Both are good. Both are really, really good. I prefer Mac. I actually almost bought the MacBook Pro today. I was on Amazon right now. I bought a new camera, and I was on Amazon, and I was like, I just saw the ad, here, buy a MacBook Pro on Amazon. It was about $3,600, and I put it in my cart. I almost bought it, and I realized, nah, never mind. But yeah, I'm gonna keep doing live. I'm gonna keep doing my vlogs. I love doing vlogs. That's why I started this. I don't want to be a regular coding how-to YouTube channel. So many people do that. So, okay. Oh, someone actually, and I'll keep doing lives. Actually, for everyone who's still watching this, by the way, I want to let you guys know, because I want to get better at programming, I haven't been learning that much PHP as I should because of this YouTube channel. So I'm going to actually stop posting vlogs on the weekends. My new schedule, and I'm going to post it on my vlogs too. Monday, Wednesday, Friday are the days I'll start posting vlogs. Tuesday, Thursdays, I want to do live videos because I need that time to actually learn PHP. And if I don't keep learning code, how can I help you guys, right? So I'm going to put more time to learning code. I'm still going to have to put even more time to learning the Bible and do all this stuff too. So thank you guys for watching. Tim, Time Lord, he's asking this. He says, hey, Chris. Hey, actually, before I end this, all right, I have 5 more minutes. Can you guys actually like this video? Right now I have 11 likes, and I'm just curious, okay? How high will my likes on this video go? And I see it live. When someone likes a video, it pops up for me. Oh shoot, it's skyrocketing. But all right, oh shoot, skyrocketing. All right, 21 likes. Come on, let's keep going up. 30, oh shoot, we're at 30 likes. That's insane. Okay, it works. You guys are amazing. All right, Time Lord says, hey Chris, I noticed you wear the sunglasses while working on the computer a lot. Are those specific for computer screens? That's a good question. So I do wear sunglasses when I'm coding at work. The main reason I wear sunglasses when I'm coding at work is because, it's bright. I have contacts now, right? And it's so bright. Ever since I got contacts, just anything bright in general, being outside of work, on the street, driving, in the office, everything's really bright for me. Even my screen on a Mac, the screens are amazing on a MacBook. And so because the screens are so bright, not the coding screen, not Adam, but when I'm looking on my browser, there's usually a white background and it hurts my eyes. And I find that having sunglasses make the light not so bright for me anymore, and I'm able to focus better and not irritate my eyes. And that is why I wear sunglasses at work. And you know what? Everyone makes fun of me. Like, Chris, why are you wearing sunglasses at work? Do you think you're that cool to wear sunglasses because no one else does it? But no, it's because it's easier on my eyes. I have sensitive eyes. That's why I have Midori, my girlfriend. But yes. Am I still learning any languages? Yes, I'm learning PHP and I'm learning MySQL, but I'm still learning JavaScript. I feel that's my weak point. I need to keep getting better at JavaScript while learning everything else. What is up, Dominic? What is up, Bitcode? Matex's MacBooks are expensive as SHIT. For the same price, you can get double the performance. That is true, but a MacBook Pro is portable. I have everything. I use my iPhone to record. Hey, check this out, okay? So guys, you're looking at my regular, right? My regular iPhone. Look at this. This is my lens, right? So I'm using my regular my selfie screen on my phone. Look, check this out when I actually use my lens. Alan's asking my title. Check this out, all right? Look at that difference, right? I'm using my lens right now. Okay, so Alan was asking, wait, what did you ask me? Sorry. My job title, I am technically a web developer at my company. That is my official title at work, but really in regards to what I do and work with every day, I am a front-end developer. I work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I work with jQuery. I'm slowly getting into PHP and MySQL. I'm working, that's pretty much the main languages that I work with. But when I become a full-stack developer, which is my company's goal for me, and they want me to do that, and they're supporting me as oh shoot, where did I stop? Oh no. Can you guys see me now? Oh shoot. Let me go back. I have bad connection. Let me go back. Hey, was that Korean? Wait, can you guys see me now? Oh shoot, this is have a very bad connection. All right, I'm back. Okay. Yeah, actually, this big wall behind me is actually blocking the Wi-Fi for people reaching me. But let's keep going. But yeah, so my actual job title is a web developer. Although the main languages I work in is a front-end development. But yeah, let me go back to my actual iPhone now. Let's go back. But yeah, the lens is pretty sick. Dang, a lot of people left because I actually lost connection. That sucks. It's okay. I'm gonna end this in a couple minutes. Actually, one more minute, and I'm gonna head out. Let me know if you guys can still see me. Anyway, Dominic's is Chris. Nope, not that one. Harrison says, I can see you're losing weight, Chris. Good job. Keep it up and stay away from sugar as much as you can. Thanks, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Any more questions before I head out? Hey, Chris from Tal. He's saying, I love your channel. I just started learning HTML and CSS and starting JS. Should I go from there to learn PHP or other front-end stuff? Learn JavaScript, okay? Once you're comfortable with JavaScript, go straight into PHP. That's what I would do. Go straight into PHP and learn MySQL. Become a full stack right away. All right. Aaron and Beta wants to complete a weight loss challenge with me. He's already skinnier than me, but okay. I'm down. I'm going all out. Guys, ask Adam. By the way, you know my last video? On my last video, he said he's gonna start a new YouTube channel. He hasn't posted the video yet. So guys, on the comment section, okay, when this video uploads, tell Adam that he needs to start a video, man. Okay. All right. What is up, KZM? All right, guys, I gotta go. I've been out here for a couple minutes, so I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go back into work. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I love you all. I'm gonna post a new vlog tomorrow. And then Friday, I'm gonna do another vlog. Emmanuel, yes, I'll stay beautiful. You guys are amazing. Hey, also, by the way, for anyone still on here, can you guys like this video if you haven't yet? And again, love you all. Thank you for the support. I'll see you guys later. This is Chris Sean. It's the Life of a Web Developer, and I'm out. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Dang, this lens is amazing, man. All right, see you guys. And you'll all be invited to the wedding. Bye.